Alright, I've just been called for my COVID test. This is the second one. I have to bring, of course, my passport and my mask. Let's go. Friends, I might be in big trouble right now because they did the COVID test today, but I'm checking out in 3 days from now. So when I arrive at the airport, the COVID test is older than 72 hours. And I'm not sure if my stay at the quarantine ASQ Hotel trumps that, so I don't even need a PCR test, or if I do need a PCR test, and they just made it 1 day too early, but the hotel says no, it's on the right day. And if I want to have a second one, it's 6,000 Thai baht, which is crazy high and much, much higher than it should be. So that's also very strange. I don't know if I can travel on the 10th to Krabi. I really hope I can. I just have to figure it out. Let's see where things go.